Microsoft Intune, a part of Microsoft Endpoint Manager, is a cloud-based solution for mobile device management (MDM) and mobile application management (MAM). Intune helps organizations manage devices and applications, securing access to corporate resources while maintaining compliance across platforms like Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. Intune manages both company-owned and personal devices, enforcing policies to ensure security and compliance. Unified Endpoint Management (UEM) combines traditional client management with modern device management, providing a single platform to manage all devices. UEM consolidates tools, enabling management of all devices from one console. Intune eliminates the need for on-premises infrastructure, offering a cloud-based solution that reduces costs and complexity. Intune integrates with Microsoft services like Azure Active Directory and Microsoft 365 for seamless access. Create and configure compliance policies to enforce security and access control. Supports both corporate-owned devices and BYOD, enabling management across different ownership models. Device enrollment. Register devices for management via automatic enrollment, Apple ADE, and Windows Autopilot. Set security settings, compliance policies, and restrictions to enforce policy adherence. Define device compliance rules, such as requiring passwords or encryption for access. Licensing options. Intune Standalone offers full access to all features, while EMS includes additional security tools. Ensure users have the necessary Intune licenses and verify that devices are supported by Intune.